Fast cars and a lot of money. Alarms and guards can stop a lot of people from robbing a bank, but what are going to stop people from robbing a motor speedway and causing them to be the next great bank robbery? This is Fast Cars and a Lot of Money with Jacob Dodd, a junior at the University of Mount Union, a sports business major, a coaching minor, and a business administration minor. All right, so what is going to stop people from being in harm's way and at risk at a motor speedway? Problems with motor speedways? They need more guards or updated guards, meaning robot guards or even just more guards in general. Need new camera networks, more cameras around the track, more people are going to be seen if something bad happens, like a purse robbery or something, or even worse, it'll be on record. Better metal detectors or gatekeepers, people letting people in or out of the stadium or racetrack. All right, so need more or updated guards. All right, so Indianapolis lately, a year ago, updated their guards. They started out with a robot guard that has 6 wheels and it trolls the whole track in the infield and the outfield, and it has 5 cameras on it, all 360 degrees. So it has people watching, like what cops do now. They have them on their chest. This indie guy is going to have it as well. They're adopting more and more. Camera networks. You need to be able to see everybody in all the blind spots. Daytona is known for their rowdy infield and how crazy it can get. And they have so many blind spots where they've had crimes in their racetrack and they haven't gotten them on film. So 3 years ago, they updated their camera network by 80%. And now they're able to see this Jets fan sitting here. 5 cameras have eyes on him at all times. But you have to be able to see those little things. And now metal detectors and gatekeepers. This is a very easy thing to stop with people coming in and out of the racetrack. I have a quote from someone. He says he works for the Charlotte Motor Speedway, and he's like, yes, people only go through the metal detector once when they first come into the racetrack. When they leave to go back out to the tailgate, or even if they're leaving to go get something from their car and they come back in, they don't have to get checked. That is horrible. What if they bring a gun in or a threat to somebody? People are at risk because of this simple thing. And then moving on to my conclusion. People are at risk at motor speedways. Things need to get changed. Cameras, guards, even metal detectors, a small thing like that. Having focus on people being at risk and updating your security is major for having a successful race day. Indy Motor Speedway has 250,000 attendees in a race, as such as Formula One, NASCAR, or even sprint track racing in the infield. They can have a bomb go off and hundreds of thousands of people die. They have people in their hands at this. They need to take advantage of what they're doing and not just worry about making money and getting the easy buck out of it. They need to make sure people are not at risk and they can make a safe buck. All right. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I'm open for questions.